Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a kind-hearted princess named Isabella. Unlike other princesses, Isabella was curious and adventurous, often exploring the far reaches of her kingdom. One day, Isabella ventured deeper into the forest than she ever had before. As she wandered, she stumbled upon a hidden glade. In the center of the glade lay a magnificent dragon, its scales shimmering like emeralds. The dragon appeared fierce yet strangely sorrowful. Instead of fleeing, Isabella approached cautiously. "Hello," she called softly. The dragon lifted its head, eyes gleaming with surprise. "Who are you?" the dragon rumbled. "I am Princess Isabella," she replied. "And who might you be?" "I am Drakon," the dragon responded. "I have been feared and hunted by your people for many years, so I hide here, away from everyone." Isabella felt a pang of sympathy. "You don't seem dangerous to me, Drakon." "Perhaps they misunderstand you," Drakon sighed. "They see only my size and my fire, not my heart." Determined to help, Isabella visited Drakon every day, bringing stories, food, and companionship. Over time, they formed a deep bond, sharing tales of the world outside, and their hopes and dreams. One day, a terrible drought struck the kingdom. Crops withered, and the rivers ran dry. The people were desperate, and some even whispered that the dragon was to blame. Knowing the truth, Isabella devised a plan. She approached Drakon with a request. "Could you help us, Drakon? Use your strength to bring water from the distant mountains to our kingdom." Moved by Isabella's plea, Drakon agreed. Together, they flew to the mountains, where Drakon used his mighty claws to carve channels, allowing fresh mountain streams to flow down to the kingdom. The people were astonished and grateful. When they learned that the dragon they had once feared had saved them, their fear turned to admiration. Drakon was welcomed into the kingdom as a hero, and Isabella's friendship with the dragon became legendary. From that day on, the kingdom flourished with the aid of its new ally. Isabella and Drakon's friendship grew stronger, proving that understanding and kindness could bridge even the widest gaps. And so, the princess and the dragon lived happily, side by side, teaching the world that even the most unlikely of friends can make a difference together.